Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make passive income and make PayPal money. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get into these ways to actually make PayPal money. And you can make passive income, like crazy passive income. There are people making millions and millions of dollars every single year using these ways. So what I'm going to talk about is YouTube, and don't run away from this video if you don't want to show your face. That's absolutely fine. If you want to make YouTube videos and not show your face, that you could do review videos with showing you only your hands. You could do picture videos just explaining, all these animated videos where people are not showing their face. Some of them are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month, which makes $1.2 million every year if you make $100,000 every month. So, you don't even have to show your face to make, huge amounts of money with YouTube, but you do have to do it properly. So, you could do review videos, you could do, teaching people. Teaching people is a huge way. Even review videos is pretty much teaching people. What you want to do is bring value. If you try to do vlogs, you're probably not going to get very much money. You're going to get quite a lot of views, but people are not going to buy anything from you, and that's how you're going to make some money. So, we're going to get into the very basic way that most people think is the only way to get some money, and then we're going to get into something that a bit less people know of, but the people who really make money, they know about this. So the very first way that you're going to make money is AdSense. A lot of people really like to depend on that, and I would not suggest to depend on AdSense because it can really vary from month to month. You really have to be careful about, the amount of views that you're getting, and try to always, put out videos all the time. And, it can be stressful, especially if your video gets demonetized and all that stuff. With that being said, it's a great way if you have some other ways, like having that source of income. Some people are making an absolute fortune just with AdSense. So, I did want to put out this disclaimer, but, some people are making a fortune, but most people aren't. Even the people that have a lot of, subscribers. And that depends on views, that's number one. But it also depends on, your niche that you're in. So maybe you have, you're trying to help people make money online. If you're doing videos like that, you're going to get quite a bit of money because people can actually target the people. You're willing to spend some money, so you can get high ticket, ads. A lot of people like to sell courses, so that's $1,000. But, if you're trying to do vlogging and, people don't really know how to target, they're not going to fight over your channel to put, ads in front of your audience. So that's why most people that actually have AdSense turned on, even if they have, a lot of subscribers, they have a lot less money. But that's, something that you really want to be careful of if you want to do AdSense is, trying to find the right niche and where people can actually get targeted. So teaching people is probably one of the great ways. Tech is a good one as well. Health and all that stuff. There's a ton of niches that are really good on AdSense, but that's something that you have to really be careful of. But some people are making that a really, really good, healthy income just with AdSense. Now keep in mind that you do have to have, you know, 1,000 subscribers, which on this channel I do not have. Like, I'm not trying to, you know, put it out like that. But, you know, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and, you know, a certain amount of views. And, you know, the amount of views if you have 1,000 subscribers is not like crazy. Like, it might sound crazy because I think it's like 10,000 views or something like that in the last 12 months. But, you know, it's not crazy because if you have 1,000 subscribers, it's very easy to do that. I think the reason why they set this up is because they don't want people to buy subscribers. And if you're trying to buy subscribers, you're not going to get monetized because, you know, people are not doing that. And that's, you know, why people are not, like, I'm not doing, you know, subscribe to subscribe. You know, all these people are doing that, like, I subscribe to your channel, subscribe to mine. If you want to do that, I'm sorry, I'm not subscribing to your channel. And, you know, it's not a good idea to do that because people, you know, that do that are not going to watch the other person's video because they aren't subscribed, because they are interested in the content and, you know, they get a ton of value out of it, but they subscribe because the other person has subscribed. So it's really not, you know, the best way to do that. And, you know, you don't get any benefits apart from, you know, the number on your channel, which, you know, you might be flattered about, but you're not, you know, you don't really gain these subscribers. So that's AdSense, that's number one. You could really make a good amount of money, but I would highly suggest that you don't rely only on that. And, you know, I don't even have 1,000 subscribers, but I'm still making money, which is going to be going into the second point, which is affiliate marketing. You know, affiliate marketing is a great way to actually make some money because, you know, there's not all these requirements like 10,000 views, you know, 1,000 subscribers and, you know, whatever, you name it. But, you know, with affiliate marketing, you can make money. Like, I think the first time I made some money on this channel, I had like 12 subscribers or something, or maybe even less than that. I had very, very little subscribers. And, you know, it's very interesting to be aware of that, because if you put out content that people actually like and you promote something like a product that you really believe in, then that's how you're going to make, you know, the money. Because, for instance, me, I promote Builderall because Builderall is a great alternative to, you know, ClickFunnels, which most people can't even afford because it's like $100 every single month. And, you know, if you're broke, you're not going to get to pay $1,000, $100 a month, especially if you have to add some plugins and that sort of stuff. But with Builderall, you don't have to do that. You could build a landing page, send emails like, you know, an email sequence, send broadcast emails, you know, have, you know, a copyright, like, you know, things to help you do copyright. It has every single thing that you can think of with, you know, having to do with like making money online, basically. So, you know, that's why I promote it, because I actually believe in it. So if you promote something that you actually believe in, then, you know, and your audience actually likes you and trusts you, that is how you're going to make some money. So affiliate marketing is a great way. There's some other ways as well, like, you know, selling courses. Like, selling courses is huge. Like, I've seen people make, you know, huge amounts of money before they had 1,000 subscribers. So selling a course is a great one if you know what you're talking about. Don't sell a course just to sell a course if you don't know what you're talking about. Sell a course for something that you've actually done before. So, you know, selling a course, selling ebooks as well is a great one. You know, you can sell services. So YouTube is something where you can make a huge amount of money depending on what you want to do. But, you know, you could pretty much sell anything if you're in the right niche. But don't just, you know, I'm not going to sell something to you having to do with cooking, because this channel is not about cooking. But if you stay true to your audience and sell them what they want to buy, then that's how you're going to make some money on YouTube. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.